Hey, to use two SIMs in Google Pixel 9 Pro, you have to start from opening the settings, then go to the network and internet and go for the SIMs. This is actually our first SIM card, the physical SIM card that you can input here with the SIM slot. If you actually input this, you have to go to the Add SIM, and now you'll have to select to set up an eSIM. So you'll have to click here, and now you will get actually two options after this checking information. So if you receive the QR code, you can just scan the QR code. But if you order this eSIM online and you actually receive this QR code via email, then you can simply take the screenshot of your email, click to scan from the photo, and now you can go for the albums. Let's say that it is in the screenshots. So now you can just simply tap on it, and then it will actually scanning the QR code automatically. And after this, you will have to just go for the few setup screens, and that will be all right now. Please subscribe and see you in the next one.